on New Job Live like every Thursday at 1 p.m. Today we are 3 CESF to present our profession to you.
The Social and Family Economy Advisor, commonly called CESF, is a social worker. He exercises within the framework of a mandate or institutional missions. He supports in a global educational and social approach individuals, groups, or families in the field of daily life.
The CESF intervenes in an ethical and deontological approach with respect for the uniqueness of the person and the collective. It promotes the relationship with a posture and welcome and listening. His intervention is in a reflective process and in a shared analysis of his professional practice.
My name is Marianne and I have been CESF for 6 years. I passed a professional baccalaureate in personal care and services support, then a BTS ESF to reach the DE.
My name is Magali. I have been CESF for 15 years. I passed a literary baccalaureate, then I studied psychology for 4 years. I got the BTS ESF and the state diploma, commonly called DE.
My name is Camille. I have been CESF for 5 years. I took a bachelor degree in health and social science and technology. I then took the ESF BTS as well as the DE.
I work in an association for the paralyzed in French. The association has 2 services, SAMSA and SAVS. They offer help with essential tasks and asks of daily life and contribute to the realization of the life project of disabled adults. The services are provided either at the person's home or at the premise of the service. To be received by a SAMSA SAVS service, you must be recognized as disabled at the least 80%.
I work in a social and cultural center. This structure has a global social vocation for the inhabitants of the district. It is a place of meetings and extension chances for all, promoting family and social ties. It promotes the participation of residents and supports their power to act.
I work in a Accueil Solidarité Famille, which provides comprehensive support for users for access to rights, maternal and child protection, prevention and child protection, social and professional integration. There are various social workers who welcome, meet at the office or during a visit home with the users. They assess the situation, propose collective action and individual follow-ups.
I support 14 adults with motor disability with associated disorder as part of their personalized project and their choice of living at home. I participate in the assessment of the situation of people, in the development of sport project and in share for solutions on them such as compensation need. I work in partnership with different structures with which I work in a network.
I am a family referent and I am responsible for developing and managing the structural family project in line with its social project. I develop the family project according to the orientations of the structure and the local development policy. I implement and coordinate the family project with the team and partners. I lead and coordinate a parenting network with local partners. I coordinate the class system, local education assistance contract. I plan activities and family outings with the volunteers and the team. I develop the autonomy of families in their life projects. I encourage their participation in the life of the center of the neighborhood. I set up activities for families. I develop evaluation tools and I take stock of activities.
I welcome users. I can also direct them to the appropriate service. I co-define objectives with users to develop their autonomy and their social skills. I have expertise in the field of daily life, consumption, housing, integration, food, health. I also take care of individual support and subjects such as the budget and other indebtedness. I participate in collective social intervention involving users and partners. like school, private and public service in the field of health, housing, culture, integration, banks.
The CESF work with an audience including people or own family in vulnerable situations, encountering issues of aging, dependence, disability, housing, employment, debate, etc.
The CESF can work in local authorities, associations, companies, public establishments, etc.
The social policy of CESF is social and professional integration, child protection, family, health, social and medical social, special education and home care service, social assistance to the child out, housing.
The CESF can also work with public and private doors in hospital, in hotel for young workers, in foster home, in open and closed educational facilities.
The CESF may have other roles and functions, such as individual and collective social support in a socio-economic and educational dimension in the fields of daily life, advisor and expertise in fields of daily life, conduct of territorial social development projects.
Finally, we can say that the CESF is versatile. It performs different functions depending on the structure, audiences, institutional framework and mission. It can lead groups or coordinate action. It works with multidisciplinary and multi-institutional teams in the territory. The CESF profession offers excellent access to everyday life for all audiences.
We hope we made you discover our beautiful profession of social worker.
It is with their work that we conclude our program for the day. We wish you a good afternoon and look forward to seeing you next Thursday to discover a new profession.
Goodbye!